Well, hello Dirtfish Rally friends. It's just about lunchtime here on the Saturday at Rally Italy, and what an interesting morning we have had. Four stages down this morning, and do you know what? We've lost two of our top drivers. Tänak is out for the day, as is Takamoto Katsuta, both the victims of water splashes. More to come with regards to water splashes, but what about that battle at the front? Well, we're 0.1 of a second separating Esa-Pekka Lappi from Sébastien Ogier going into the opening stage. It has very much been Sébastien Ogier's morning. The first couple of stages they played with each other. Few tenths here, few tenths there. The third stage of the morning, Ogier was absolutely supreme, and he's nailed his advantage in the fourth stage heading back to service. His lead now over Lappi just over 18 seconds. Ogier very much now in control of this event. This is what he told us before that final stage, before service.
Yeah, it's been nice to see the time at the end of the stage, because yeah, it was a difficult stage and I never really expect to make this kind of difference, but when it's difficult, it's always when the gap happens, so I'm happy it went my way in that one.
You can see just how much mud you're knocking off the car. Have the conditions been maybe more challenging than you were expecting?
Maybe more than we expected coming here in Sardinia, yeah, but since we see the weather the whole week, we now expect it.
Yeah, so this stage, obviously this one, the last one before service, what's the approach in here?
Try to carry the same rhythm, try to keep driving fast because the gap are not big.
So Ogier, as you would expect, has managed things magnificently out there this morning. Esa-Pekka Lappi, well, he's not quite had the morning he wanted. Yes, he was quick in the opening two, but then issues started to creep in. He picked up, we believe, a puncture towards the end of the third stage, struggled with braking in the fourth stage in the loop. He is still there or thereabouts. You know what? The second pass on these stages this afternoon is going to be extremely difficult. The man who's won 3 stages this morning, though, who is that? Well, that is Thierry Neuville. Do you know, after what was it? After the second stage of the morning, Neuville looked as if he was heading towards that battle for the win. He got the gap down to around about 12 seconds. He lost a whole load in the third stage. He's still there, 24 seconds off the lead. He's won 3 stages, as I say, this morning. It's been a good morning from Thierry Neuville in some regards. But, you know, he'd have hoped that he was right there in the battle for the win. That's not happened this morning, but it's been drama-free for Neuville out there. It certainly hasn't been drama-free for, as we mentioned, Katsuta-san. He is out for the day. Tänak, out for the day. Tänak was so unlucky, almost through the second stage, literally almost. So he did get through it, actually, the second stage, but the car drowned out, having ingested a whole load of water through the water splash at the end of that stage. Big water splash in stage 3. Who was the victim of that one? Elfyn Evans. We were with him at the side of the road as he worked frantically to repair that damage. It was like smacking in to a wall of concrete. He hit that water a little bit too quick. There was more water than he expected, and as you can see, all sorts of damage underneath the car. But a wonderful job from Elfyn and Scott to repair that damage. Yes, they lost more time through stage 4, but they're still very, very much in this rally. So there we are, folks. Lunchtime on Saturday. We've had lots of drama this morning. No rain yet. We've seen that it's been very, very wet and muddy out there. It'll be even more difficult this afternoon with all these WRC 2 cars and the rest heading through the field. And we are perhaps expecting a little more rain towards the end of the day. Lots more to come. Stick with us, folks, at dirtfish.com for all the action as it continues to unfold here at Rally Italy.